Casey Bendette from Alice and Olivia, and I'm so excited about our nail collaboration with imPRESS press-on manicures. It was so fun working with imPRESS because the press-ons are really accessible to everyone, and I think we share a love for both like print and color for manicures. Well, the colors we chose for the nails really go back to the colors that are important in our collection this season. So throughout spring, there are pops of neon, neon yellow, neon coral, and we decided to do nails in those colors. I feel like nails, like fashion, like another way for women to express themselves. Please go to impressmanicure.com to check out our newest nail collection.